Alright, so in this video we're going to look at the Chapter 4 review, Practice A sheet, number 1, this long proof here. Now in the proof, I give you a couple of hints even though it doesn't look like a lot. In Step 4 and Step 8, we're told what triangles to aim for here, so that's actually quite a bit of info. And if we look at BOX in Step 4, BOX is this triangle right here. You can probably tell we're going to try and aim that up with DOY right here, right? So let's write that down. We'll aim for DOY. Okay. So if we look at the givens, 1 and 4 here, they don't help us with the 2 yellow triangles. So I'm not going to list those yet. But 2 and 3 do. 2 and 3 are parts of our triangles. So that's given. And that'll be useful. So here's angle 2, here's angle 3. Those match up. Okay. I also know that AX goes with CY, but if you look at where AX is and where CY is, that doesn't help me match up the yellow triangles either. So I'm going to ignore those for now. And instead, I'll go to OX and OY. And if you look at those, they are parts of my yellow triangles. So I'm going to match those up because that helps me get to Step 4. So XO is the same as YO. Or sorry, I'll write it the way that it's in the given. OX and OY given. And so I've already got a pair of angles here and a pair of sides matched up. If you look at the 2 yellow triangles, you can actually see that these angles match up as well. So those angles, I'm just going to put a 1 here, or no, 1's already taken. So I'll put a 5 here for that angle and a 6 here for this angle. So I'm going to say angle 5 is congruent to angle 6 because vertical angles are congruent. So there's another angle. Now if you look at the order that they're in the triangle, it goes angle, side, angle, and angle, side, angle the same way. So A, S, A. Okay, so in Step 7 down here, it says triangle AXB. And if we look at AXB, that's this triangle here. And we're going to, you can probably guess that we're going to try and match it up with CYD over here. Right? So, if we look at AXB and CYD, and you can kind of, let's write that in. Okay, we need to match up sides and angles of those in order to get like SSS or ASS or ASA or one of those. Not ASS, that one doesn't work. So let's take a look. We know that we've got some congruent triangles right here, and we pretty much always follow up congruent triangles with CPCTC. So my yellow triangles are congruent, and the idea of these double triangle set proofs is that you take the first set and you try and match up something from the first set that helps you prove the second set are congruent. So if you look at the yellow and the blue triangles, the thing that they share is this side. Whoops, let me put that back. There. They share this side and this side. Those go together, right? They were parts of my yellow triangles, so XB goes with YD because of CPCTC. They're parts of those yellow triangles that match up. Okay, let's go back to our givens here. I still have 1 congruent to 4. That helps with the blue triangles. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. And I know that AX goes with YC. So I can match those up. So AX goes with YC. These are both given. Okay, so now I've got my blue triangles congruent. And the reason, if you look at the picture, it's side, angle, side. Same exact thing right here, side, angle, side. S-A-S. So now I can finish off my proof because this right here, AB, corresponds with this right here. and their corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So I can say AB is congruent to CD.